Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be acting like Miranda Sings for this video. Yeah, but anyway, today we're gonna be unboxing in something called Space Invaders. It's a game. I got it off. I got it for Christmas, and you know what? I just wanted to. Yeah, I don't actually have like think on the name because I'm just don't feel like wearing lipstick today. Anyway, so if Space Invaders is an arcade game, and I'm gonna be unboxing it, but I'll be doing it playing in another video without the Miranda voice. So I'm starting to get into it. Might fall asleep during this, who knows? Not all, so let's hop into it. Alright, so we got this. So we're gonna start off our unboxing with unboxing this. I'll be playing this, like I get once again, I'll be playing this in another video. Oh my god! This is actually, oh wow! Look at the back. Oh wow! You almost wrecked my camera. This piece of plastic fell out of the box. Almost killed my thing. Almost killed my camera. Don't like that. Look at that! The logo fell out. It's no longer Space Invaders. Well, it does say it on the it still does say it on the game thing. You might be able to see it there. So we got that. Does it really need batteries? It doesn't. Or what is this? Step. Oh my god. Step 1. It says throwing out. Does that mean I gotta throw it out? Does it mean I have to throw it out afterwards? I don't know. Anyway, it's unboxed anyway, so yeah, it was great. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm Miranda Sings. Not Miranda Sings. I'm just anything like Miranda Sings. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the video here, and I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye. Anya, Kanye West, Anya. Ooh, yeah.